Okay, in this video we're going to use AirDrop from the iPad to the iMac. There's our iPad. We'll go ahead and click on Photos. Okay, pick out a video we want to AirDrop. That's the one. Just click on Share. Then choose Dave's iMac Pro to AirDrop it to. That's clicked on. Here's the Finder on my Mac, and it is uploading and downloading, and it's getting there. Getting there. Okay, almost. It is there. There's the Finder on my iMac. Let's go ahead and go to Downloads. Sure enough, there it is. Let's click on that to see what the video looks like. Go ahead and play it. Okay, that's the same video I made in the last lesson. Cool. And that's all there is to it. Thank you very much.